Good evening. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening, and we do have a winter storm warning extending from northeast Arkansas into southeast Missouri and southern Illinois. That's the pink zone. That's where 3 to 6 with pockets of 4 to 8 inches of snow is expected tonight into tomorrow morning. In the purple here, now we've added Dunklin County, need to add that, a winter weather advisory, and that's for 1 to 3 inches of snow, possibly a little more, but there's some questions about warmer temperatures as we move towards the sunrise hours across the winter weather advisory. We'll keep an eye on it. They did leave out Massac County in southern Illinois. That's the only county in southern Illinois without an advisory. And then West Kentucky, we don't have any winter weather advisories either. We do have a wind advisory for later tonight into tomorrow and tomorrow evening for parts of the Missouri Boot Hill, western Tennessee, and portions of western Kentucky for 20 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts. It's going to be windy as the system pulls into the region. We take a look at radar and we see widespread rain has moved in right on time. Now you notice how earlier we had that hole over here. That's because there was virga falling. That's precipitation not reaching the ground. And the radar beam goes upward as you move outward. And as the column of atmosphere moistened up, that hole closed up because the rain was finally reaching the ground. So that's what causes those holes. When you see those on radar, it means there's precip falling, but it's not reaching the ground yet. It just takes time to moisten up the atmosphere. Now back here in the blue and the purple, we've got snow falling, already an inch or two in Carter County. We've got thunder snow reported in Lawrence County, Arkansas. That's down here in northeast Arkansas. I'll pull out a little bit there. So as we move through the next few hours, more and more of this is going to turn over to snow, even into western Kentucky. But it will be difficult to accumulate since temperatures were in the mid to upper 40s today, and temperatures are still well above freezing over most of the region. Where the snow will stick will be where temperatures can fall into the 32, 33, 34 degree range with heavy snow falling. It can accumulate. Now, some of you will wake up in the middle of the night and you may have accumulation on the ground, and you go back to bed and you wake up with warmer temperatures and the snow will have melted. So it's possible that some of you receive the snow that's expected, but that it melts before you wake up, because as that low moves up into our region later tonight into tomorrow morning, we're going to see warmer air surge northward as well. We pull out here and we'll see this massive storm system moving through Texas. Here's your low pressure center down here. Here's your dry slot, and you can see a line of tornadic thunderstorms that's been pushing through Texas today, now in Louisiana and Mississippi. We zoom in there and we can show you those, some tornado warnings there popping up in pink. But this is your squall line of thunderstorms racing across the Gulf of Mexico. Move into our region and we see rain, sleet, and a wintry mix back here in the red, and in the blue and white, that's snow. And the snow will overspread our region over the coming hours and replace the rain in most areas. Now, as far as snow totals, again, 4 to 8 inches, 3 to 6 with pockets of 4 to 8 inches over southeast Missouri and southern Illinois, and then 1 to 3 inches in that winter weather advisory. As far as the rest of us, I can't rule out slushy accumulation, but again, as that low pulls into the region late tonight and tomorrow morning, even that snow that fell will melt as temperatures rise into the 40s. Matter of fact, portions of western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee could see temperatures rise into the mid to upper 40s late tonight and tomorrow morning. So the best chance for accumulating snow will be back here over portions of southwest Illinois into Jefferson County, Illinois, and then back into southeast Missouri, south central Missouri, northern Arkansas. Some locations may see 5 to 10 inches. Wouldn't be surprised to see a few reports in excess of 8 inches over eastern Missouri. We'll see. Power outages are a concern because when we get those gusty winds later tonight and tomorrow with that heavy snow on branches, we could see some of those break and bring down power lines. Okay, so that's your 8 o'clock update. Nothing new really to add to the forecast. Everything seems to be on track. I don't really see any surprises yet. We'll see how the rest of the night goes. Just be careful if you have to be out late tonight and tomorrow morning, and there are some slushy roadways with snow covered slushy roadways. You just want to be careful with that. Okay, have a good evening.